Our family is complete. Yes, we are so happy.
Wow! This game is so much fun! I love running and playing with the ball! This place looks new. I'm not quite sure where I am or how we got here, but it's definitely different from where I started. Where is my home? I feel so lost, and I am unsure where to go from here in this big world. Chiku? Where are you? Ew!
Please answer us. I must be strong and face this new day with courage and a determined spirit, knowing...
Sir, may I work here, please? I am very good at helping, and I learn quickly.
I won't give up, not when there's so much more to achieve and so many goals waiting to be realized with every step forward.
You can work here, son.
Thank you so much. This means a lot to me, and I will not let you down. Hard work feels good.
Government. 5 years passed, and Chiku's dedication transformed the small shop into a bustling hub, a testament to his hard work and...
I still miss my parents dearly, and the memories of our time together will always be cherished, even as they begin to softly fade.
I will find them.
Is he still alive, I wonder? Or has something terrible happened to him on his long journey?
I hope so with all my heart and soul.
Dad?
Chiku, is that really you? My goodness, I cannot believe it. We thought we'd never see you again. You came back, my son. We are so incredibly happy to have you home with us again, safe and sound.
Like, share, and subscribe for more stories. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more with you very soon.